Hello everyone, let's take a look at exercise 8 from chapter 8.1. Most questions you get are about how you must simplify. Sometimes you can get questions where they ask you to fill in the gaps, you could say. So here they ask you, well, what should I add to 4a to find 16a? And in that case, you should know how addition with letters work, right? Because, for example, this does not work. Why not? Well, 4a plus 12 are not like terms, so I cannot just add them up. What should I add to make this work in this case? I think the only thing what I have to add right now is just an a right there. Because then they are like terms, right? Then I can add them up. 4a plus 12a is 16a. So this is your answer. For b, the same rules apply for subtraction. So what's a common mistake that some people make here? Well, 16a is 17a minus. What common mistake can you make here? Well, some would write down this. 17a minus 1. But this I cannot subtract from 17a because they are not like terms. Then there's another small mistake that you can make, that people say, yeah, I know this trick by now. I just have to write down an a. Yeah, but then watch out, right? Then in that case, I don't want this 1 to be here. So in that case, you only write down a. Right, so this is your answer, minus a. Multiplication works a bit different though, because here I have something with 8 and I have to go to 16a. How can I change 8 to 16 with a multiplication? Which number should I multiply 8 with to find 16? That's 2, right? But 8 times 2 is 16, not 16a. So what should I add? An a. So I have to multiply with 2a. If you have troubles with exercise like this, right, you see that I sometimes just dissect it in how can I get the numbers, how can I get the letters. And if you get those right, then just add them together. I'll skip D and E. You can try those for yourself. Or D, I mean. You can try that one for yourself. I want to take a look at E. 18xy is 2x times 3y plus 3x times something. Well, in this case, what I first will do is calculate what this exactly is. 2x times 3y is 6xy. So the question is, what should I add to 6xy to get 18xy? So maybe I can better write down like this. What should this be in such a way that this is going to be 18xy? Well, this is an addition, so I should add 12xy. Remember, same letters, otherwise I cannot add them up. So this part here, in the end, must become 12xy. How can I get to 12xy with a multiplication? Which number must I multiply 3 with to get 12? That's 4. I already have an x, so I don't have to write an x in here, otherwise I get x squared, and that's not what I want, because I then cannot add those two up to find 18xy. I do have to add a y though. So my final answer is this part, 4y. That's what you should fill in right here. Right, hopefully it helps you a bit when trying to tackle those exercises. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask them in the lesson. Good luck.